A second straight day of gains coming in for the benchmark indices with the Nifty and Sensex ending the day on a positive note, and the Nifty, closing above that 23,200 mark. A good part is that the broader end of the markets also snapped out of a two-day losing streak. In fact, the mid-cap index has recovered all of its yesterday's losses and ended higher by about almost 2% or so. In terms of sectors, the defensives took the lead today. So IT and pharma, these are the two pockets that were doing well. Remember, IT did well yesterday as well and today as well. Solid gains coming in on the IT pack led by mid-cap IT names. In terms of individual movers on the index, you had stocks like Ultratech Cement after numbers. It pulled the entire cement pack up with itself. So you also had Grasim rallying in excess of 3% in today's session. Aside of that, if you look at the laggards, BPCL reacting to its numbers, top Nifty laggard, that stock was followed by Kotak Bank. That was the second top loser on the Nifty. If you look at the broader end of the markets, mid-cap IT was clearly the flavor of the day. So you had the stocks like Coforge, Persistent, Zensar Tech, all of them gaining in excess of 10%. And Go Digit Insurance, that stock was also rallying almost 15% after reporting good set of numbers. That was all about today's market action. For more news and updates, stay tuned to Money Control.